Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys know me, you know I have a website called eyelashplug.com. Well, the website is new this year, but I started Eyelash Plug like over 2 years ago. And today I'm going to be introducing you to my first style of handmade by me lashes, and I'm going to show you an application tutorial. Say hi! I decided to name my first self-made lashes Whitney. I just thought it was kind of edgy. I don't know, I just came up with it. So these are the Whitney Lashes. They're like 3D, very curled, long girly lashes, but they're fluffy, and that's what I love about them. So I'm gonna take these out of the box. I'm going to be applying them in today's video, and you can get your Whitney lashes on eyelashplug.com starting September 1st, tomorrow. Okay, I embellished this box myself. I love doing artsy creative things with my business. Just look at some of my past lash boxes. We also currently have sweetie bags available and some other accessories. There's like hair accessories also on the website. Definitely worth checking out. So here are the Whitney lashes. Now this is my personal pair, and I did wear them once, so if they look a little bit like they're coming off of their bed, it's because I used them. And I'm just gonna try to show you guys up close the amount of curl. So I have these handy dandy little Kiss lash tweezers right here. So to remove these, I do recommend doing it cautiously. Since these are handmade, you don't really want to grab the lash strands and pull them. It's better off to take a pair of handy dandy lash tweezers or even regular tweezers. You're gonna grab the very edge of the band and pull like that. Easy peasy. So now I have my lash. Now that I have my lash here, I can apply the glue. Today I'm using Lash Couture Lash Glue. I believe this is by Kiss. It's crazy, I'm not super picky about my lash glue. I think the important thing is you just let it get a little tacky, don't put too much, and placement when you're putting it on the lid. So okay, now we'll let it dry for at least like 20 seconds. You can give it a little blow if you would like. Alright, so I need a mirror. Alright, so now for placement, it's partially about preference. So you could start with your inner corner. The inner corner is always what gives me the most trouble. Or you could start try and put the middle on first. I'm going to go with inner corner. That just fits this situation better. Now also guys, once you have the lash out of its bed, you can use your fingers. You don't have to necessarily continue using the tweezers. Now the way the band was like curved and everything, that was super simple, so I do need to reinforce the inner corner. This is where I am going to take the tweezers. I'm going to kind of take that corner and keep pressing it on the inner corner. Now, if the lashes are too long width-wise, obviously trim them. I didn't, because I like to do this little trick where you have winged eyeliner, and even if the band goes longer than your actual eyelid, you can pull it out along your wing, and it kind of makes the eye look bigger and wider as well. So this is the first eye. Now these lashes, since they're kind of fluffy and light, they're awesome for wearing with a bare eye look. I don't have eyeshadow on, just wing liner. Okay guys, let's see if we can master this and go ahead with the second lash. I'm grabbing the band. I'm not pulling by the lashes. I'm dabbing the glue on, letting it dry, partially dry. So once you initially place it, you can start to play around with it. That's an example of me putting the excess lash along my wing. This is not my best wing liner today either, guys. Alright guys, check it out. Alright guys, that is my little lash application tutorial for you today. Grab a pair of these tomorrow, September 1st on eyelashplug.com if you would like to support. And also follow Eyelash Plug on Instagram. I can't wait to hear from you guys what you think. Bye.